So hi everyone, this is the case that I have posted few days back of head sutures. If you have not seen this video, please go back and watch this video first. This is the part 1 of head sutures, and today we are going to remove the sutures that we have placed few days back on this patient. It was the head injury that patient has come for, and we have placed the sutures. You can see the sutures are well placed and still on their position. The wound is completely healed. It is dry also. You can see the scabbing of the tissue is also present on the wound. So the scabbing is a good indication that the wound is completely healed and it is an early part of the process. It is in the form of crusts, and it's mainly it forms because to protect the wound from getting infected. And just remove the sutures with the BP blade, and you can see the healing of the wound very well. The scabbing, it should be removed after the sutures are removed, as it can delay healing after the sutures removal. As here you can see, I have removed the scab tissue, and you can see the healing of the wound. It is quite well healed, and just wipe it off with saline and betadine afterwards, and put some medication over it to heal it faster. I hope that you are liking the videos, and I'm trying to put the original content over here. So please do subscribe and do like the channel. It will help me a lot to grow. As you can see here that I have wiped it off with the betadine. After when you wipe it off with betadine, just put a medication over it to heal it faster. So I hope you are liking the video. So please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.